Okay?
Gardinam data mayat. Oh, ay. Kuna man api gami nga di kayo napang. Kuna man nagbaga. Ay ba? Red santo nagbasit. Mga lakaling tupay to yan. Dudog kanin magkaliwan. Yung makain namang siping kamuti. Nga dengdang. Hindi na unay. Paria.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel, YouTube channel Talking with Travelers. Okay, today and other days we have cooked. I will show you. Okay, see this one. This one already cook. This one cook already. This is balatong. Okay, this one no need to explain. This one, kamuti leaf, eggplant.
Ano yan sa Tagalog?
Talong.
Ayan.
Kamote.
Kamote. What kind of kamote? What?
Talbos na kamote. Dip in the soys. And this one, this one, pulpuk.
Awan.
Okay. This
So
one
na
is pulpuk.
Wala yung sunan na.
This one is pulpuk. Okay. Like pork, just to fry, and also cut small pieces. Put some onion. Onion means in sibuyas.
Bengayam.
Sibuyas. Bengayam is Tamil. Sibuyas, Tagalog. Right?
Sibuyas.
And chili. This one, what is this? Hey, this
Tulang.
one. This one, tulang. Okay. And everything we have to mix.
I'll put this
Yeah,
one.
so vinegar you mix, right?
Yeah.
See, you focus here, this one nicely so that everyone can see. Nice. This one when you eat with the rice, very tasty. Okay. And that one egg boiled and some
Ano to?
soy,
With?
bagong,
No.
vinegar,
Calamansi. How
calamansi.
can we mix with bagoong?
I don't
There's
know.
no such thing.
This rice, see,
Fried
compared to
rice.
that white rice, it's different. You know why? Because at the end of the fry, you put the rice and then fry it. So that it is like this.
You know already, right?
See everything here. You can, everyone can see here. See here that fried one.
Burn.
Okay. First, let me take this one and taste.
Yan yung favorite mo, di ba? You take the tulang.
Ito one later.
You want, right? That's why I saved for you that one.
Okay.
You still have. You don't want anymore. Huh?
I will eat later. First we need to explain this one.
Oh, okay.
After that. Okay. This one Plato. It's already stick. You can add some water also.
No. The egg.
Okay. And one egg with a soy.
You want me to put that one?
Yeah. Okay.
Enough?
This one.
I'll give you this one in order you can dip.
Okay.
The one that you already take, leave it
Okay.
like this.
One. See guys, here only I came
Sorry.
to learn this one. They teach me how to do this one. See here.
If suka you don't like.
That is vinegar. Suka means. Some people don't know what is suka.
In Ilocano, suka.
Okay. Some. This one, what they will do means see here.
Oh, you adjust already, huh?
Like this. Okay. And use the right hand like this. So that the other person won't feel anything.
Allah, you see your plate?
Full. But some last I cannot finish up.
Oh, finish up.
Sometime
Rosie will eat. Or dog will eat.
Rambo is that. First I will mix the balaton without anything. First I will taste this one. Pulpuk. See here. See? It focus here with the face so that it can go. Calamansi you put
Yes.
I can feel the sourness of the calamansi.
You like onion, right?
Rubbery. But nice.
Rubbery?
Rubbery, yeah.
Okay.
Now I mix with the balaton and I will eat the fried one.
Allah.
This one. This one seems like a garnish when we eat with that one. But if you put tomato, everything, very tasty.
Next time we will put in Indian style. We have a lot like that.
Okay. And now, kamote leaf. Okay. I will mix and then. When you eat this one, you can feel the sourness and then soy taste.
Some they prefer bagoong with calamansi or suka.
But no spiciness today.
How come this one have?
That is not much spicy for me.
Okay.
Later we will take chili.
Yeah.
Okay. Boiled egg. This kind of eggplant, you need to cut very small. First fry the onion, garlic, put this one chili, everything this one right? Very nice. Then come with the for your potential means.
Next time we will put that like that Indian style.
Today the climate is very dull. Right? The climate too much dull.
No, because there's a typhoon.
No chili.
It's not hot. No?
for watching our YouTube channel Talk Hungry Traveler.
So hungry.
Please support guys. Without you, I cannot able to achieve anything. Okay.
We're almost there.
Thanks for a lot. Subscribing and comment, sharing. Thank you for that.
We'll do it officially.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our video support.
Happy Sunday.
Subscribe our YouTube channel Talk Hungry Traveler.
Share.
Comment and making Facebook channel.
Our website.
Page. No, Facebook pages. Talk Hungry Traveler support, and hopefully I will put in the description our blog site. If you can see that one, please click that one and just see our ingredients, whatever we are.